Hello. In last class, we saw what is acid insoluble pool and acid insoluble pool. In this class, let's learn their differences. Acid soluble pool are filtrate, whereas in acid insoluble pool they are retentate. Did you remember that this this is acid insoluble pool and this one is acid soluble pool? And it has thousands of organic substance plus few inorganic substance. This contains organic substance only. These particles are small and simple. Here the particles are large, like some large and complex. The substance in the acid soluble pool have low molecular weight. That is, their weight is up to 18 to 800 Daltons. Dalton is smallest unit of kg, the smallest unit of weight. Here, just opposite, high, and it varies from more than 1000 Daltons and above. 10,000 Daltons and above. But that's an exception. The exceptional one is a lipid. It's not a strictly an insoluble substance, as it's highly soluble. It's insoluble. For example, it could be simple sugar and amino acid, nucleotides, minerals, gases, water, and etc. and so on. And in acid insoluble food, the examples are polysaccharide, protein, nucleic acid, lipids, and etc. We can notice that simple sugar is a monomer and this are polymer. But except lipid, simple sugar is a monomer which polymerize to form polysaccharide. An amino acid, it's a monomer. It's polymerized to form polymer known as protein. And nucleotides is also a monomer which forms a polymer, namely nucleic acid. But now let's look at the exception, which is lipid. It's not strictly not an not a micromolecule, macromolecule. But why does it stay in an acid insoluble fraction? And also to note that the weight, molecular weight, does not exceed 800 Dalton. Which are the these are the features of this one, acid soluble pool. Also not an polymer and so on. Why does it comes under acid insoluble pool? It's because highly insoluble in water. And while grinding, the membranes are broke into some pieces or fragments and form vesicles. Vesicles is like a ball, spherical shape. So it's a get separated into acid insoluble fraction. So we have come to the end of the video and thank you.